Today, we're diving deep into a major digital disruption that caught the attention of millions: the extensive Google Meet outage on Wednesday, November 26, 2025, which severely impacted countless users around the world. This major incident unfolded on Wednesday, November 26, 2025, primarily striking users across the Asia region, with the hardest hit areas being in India, where communications ground to a halt. Thousands of tech professionals, businesses, and Google Workspace users encountered severe communication breakdowns right during peak business hours, disrupting their daily operations significantly. The outage kicked off around midday IST, precisely at 12 p.m., triggering immediate and widespread chaos in corporate communications across the affected zones. Frustrated users were bombarded with various error messages, such as the notorious 502, bad gateway alerts, and unable to join notifications that blocked access entirely. Compounding the issue, many reported endless infinite loading screens featuring relentless spinning wheels, which completely barred connections to the critical meet.google.com platform. Official word came straight from the Google Workspace status dashboard, which confirmed that customers were experiencing serious issues while trying to load meet.google.com specifically in the Asia region. Google's dedicated engineering team jumped into action without delay, launching a thorough investigation, developing a mitigation strategy, and issuing sincere apologies to all affected users. Although the outage was mostly centered in Asia, especially India, it created notable ripple effects globally, particularly for international teams collaborating closely with those disrupted regions. The most intense disruptions struck major Indian cities including Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, where services faltered the most severely. This sudden chaos brought critical online meetings, important job interviews, and essential virtual classrooms to a complete standstill, resulting in substantial business setbacks and lost productivity. The event intensified ongoing worries about the stability of digital infrastructure, coming on the heels of recent outages from Cloudflare and AWS earlier that very same month. Incidents like these powerfully underscore the vital importance of maintaining backup communication platforms and developing robust contingency plans for unexpected failures. In response, the outage sparked widespread discussions about reliable Google Meet alternatives, such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams, to bolster overall communication reliability. As a key workaround, Google recommended switching to the Google Meet mobile app, which proved more stable since the web client suffered the brunt of the issues. Additionally, some users discovered partial relief by accessing the service in Incognito mode on Chrome, although this workaround wasn't reliable or successful for absolutely everyone. Google pledged to deliver continuous updates through their status dashboard, keeping users informed every step of the way until achieving full resolution. Drawing from historical data on similar incidents, these outages generally resolve within a typical window of 2 to 4 hours, providing a realistic time frame for expected recovery. Key prevention tips stress the critical role of keeping secondary communication tools immediately accessible, ready to deploy in order to minimize the impact of future disruptions. Ultimately, this incident stands as a crucial wake-up call for businesses and individuals alike to diversify their digital communication strategies against potential vulnerabilities. So, stay well-informed and thoroughly prepared as we navigate this increasingly interconnected yet occasionally unpredictable digital world.